Now, the proponents of renewables know about this, and they're proposing grid-scale batteries. Matter of fact, we're getting these kind of headlines. Giant batteries and cheap solar power are shoving fossil fuels off the grid. A deluge of batteries is about to rewire the power grid. I got one more question for you today. How much U.S. electricity uses grid-scale batteries? Anybody know? It's pretty small. The answer is less than 1 watt-hour of every million watt-hours uses grid-scale batteries. I've done it with this diagram here. This is 2019. Power generation in the U.S., there's about 800 blocks here. A little over 4 million gigawatt hours. So for the storage, you got to go down to the one little block, then you blow it up. Most of our storage has been pump storage capacity. Here's the battery storage right there. And you know, last year they doubled the amount of battery storage. Now you got 2 little red dots right there. Folks, this is going to be decades and decades and decades before it's going to be possible. And as a matter of fact, there's some practical problems too. Here's an example in New York State. They've announced that they're going to put in 9 megawatts of offshore wind capacity southeast of New York City. Cost them about $9 billion. And they're going to try and back it up with I should have said 9,000 megawatts. They're going to back it up with 3,000 megawatts of battery capacity, about $7.5 billion. The problem with that is these batteries will have a duration of 2 or 4 hours. So to back up the wind output for a single day, you'd have to spend $45 to $90 billion on batteries, between 5 and 10 times the actual cost of the wind system you're trying to back up.